There is this secret your interior designer is not telling you. That you could actually pay much lesser for your renovation. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that helps to grow your online business. Do you know that you are being job serviced by your interior designer? Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that they are not good. In fact, I hired an interior designer myself for my HDB renovation. While my renovation was ongoing, I realized one thing. All the workers that came to my house, be it the electricians, the painter, the carpenters, all of them wore different type of uniforms. Meaning to say, all their uniforms have different brands or different company name on them. This means that while you had your one-stop solution by your interior designer, which is very convenient, but the fact is all the services that you had were individually job serviced and marked up by your interior designer. This is exactly how job servicing works. You set up a job servicing business, package your services and promote them to your clients. Whenever you receive an order, all you need to do is you outsource the services to different freelancers, which means that you do not need to have any skills for the services that you sell. This is exactly the same as your interior designer. They do not need to know how to build a kitchen cabinet. They just need to outsource the job to the carpenters. So these carpenters are your freelancers. Basically, job servicing model is nothing new. It has always been around us. You just need to adopt the same method and apply it to the online world. If you want to learn how I built my job servicing business with no skills and with no capital, I will be having a free live training session this Thursday at 9 p.m. on my Facebook page. I will leave a link below for you to sign up. And after you have signed up, do comment DONE, D-O-N-E, because for the first 50 comments under this video and after you have attended my free live training, I have a special gift for you, and this special gift is worth $497. Please prepare all your questions because I will be also answering all the questions about job servicing during my live training. And if you have any friends and family that wants to learn how to generate online income through job servicing, make sure that you share this video and let them know that I will be having a free training this Thursday. I will put more details in the description box below. So I will see you this Thursday. Bye!